Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Fish Friday. However you want to put it. Seafood Friday. Shrimp Friday. It is Fish Friday. Seafood Friday. Like I say, I try to do fish or some kind of seafood, y'all, on a Friday. And today I got me some shrimp quesadillas. Yeah, this is something I've been doing for years. Not for myself, yeah, but on my job. I recently retired from about a year and a half ago. This is one of the favorite items on the buffet was simple shrimp tacos, y'all. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's very simple, very easy. You can add or subtract any ingredients you want to yours to make yours up to your standards, up to your flavor. But I'm gonna explain you what I have here. Then I'm gonna step off and get prepped up. I got some shrimp here, fresh shrimp that I bought. Y'all see I bought from Boys One Stop. See them beautiful Gulf shrimp. I'm gonna get them peeled off, and peeled in the vein and sliced up. I got some Monterey Jack cheese. I got some queso fresco cheese. I got some Lloyd's tortilla. Pretty much, even like a medium soft tortilla. You can use the big tortillas, but I like these, and I'll show you why later on in the video. But I get these from H-E-B, nice, fresh, medium flour tortillas. I got some cilantro. I got some ground coriander. However you, don't get on me about mispronouncing that. Ground camino or cumin. I call it camino. And some little paprika here. And that's it. So that's all I'm gonna need for this video. A little salt and pepper for the shrimp. Other than that, that's it. So I'm gonna step out, get everything prepped up, good to go here. And we're gonna have some old school shrimp quesadillas in a few minutes here. Old school soul food style. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. I got my shrimp all cleaned up here and peeled in the vein. And let me show y'all here. Got a little vein on this one, y'all. Hold on. Okay, let me show y'all. I already did these. I peeled in the vein. See this? Come on, Jeffrey. Don't knock over the thing. Okay, see how they peeled in the vein. Beautiful shrimp. Beautiful Gulf shrimp. Now, what I'm going to do now, all I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to take them and I'm going to split them in half. Just like this. Got a vein on there. Let me get that off of there. Got to make sure you get all them veins off of there. Hold on, y'all. I don't want none of them veins on my shrimp. Okay. All right. I'm going to cut this one in half. After you peel them and vein them, just split them just like that. See that? Now, the reason I'm doing that, after I grill them, they're going to go on the tortilla easier than being whole and round, trying to roll them around, and they're not going to be flat. This way, they'll be flatter when I put them on the tortilla. Y'all see that? That's a very key ingredient. See? And see how flat they are now? So I got these here already. Got a little whisker in there. Okay. I got them all in there. Let me clean up just a second here. Okay, we got them all in there. Peeled, the vein, sliced up. Now, all I'm going to do now, we're going to season them up, let them kind of marinate here. You can do this overnight, but I'm going to do it marinate about 5 minutes. Put a little olive oil on there. I'm going to put a little ground camino in here. You can put as much as you want, Give it that little Spanish tang. A little ground camino, a little coriander. A little coriander in there. Not much. You don't want to overdo it. That stuff is very powerful. A little paprika. All right. Now we're going to do our other seasoning. We're going to put some salt and pepper. Some cavenders Greek seasoning. A little cavenders on there. A little sweeter or spicier. Uncle Steve shape. Just a little salt and pepper. You don't need much for these shrimp. That's it. Now I'm going to take my hand. We're going to mix these bad boys up. That's all we're going to do, y'all. We got all them flavors in there. Look at that. I'm going to put a little bit more paprika in here for color, y'all. It's going to help with the color of it. Alrighty. And that's it. We're gonna step off here, let these kind of marinate by 5-6 minutes. Come back, I got my grill pan heating up. We're gonna grill these off. And this is pretty much the hardest part of making the quesadilla. Also, y'all know I got my jack cheese here, but I got the queso fresco. What I'm gonna do while I'm step off and let that marinate, I'm gonna grate this queso fresco up too, just like this here is grated. So I'll do that and then we'll be back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, I got my queso fresco grated there. All I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna make a cheese mixture here. Let me go and get it mixed up. I got Monterey Jack. I'm gonna mix my queso fresco in here with it. Like I say, you can use any cheese you want. You can use the Walker cheese, which is good for this. Okay, I'm gonna put a little paprika in this cheese. So I want to kind of get some flavor to the cheese as well. A little cumin. Get that all in there. And a little coriander. Get in there, get in there. It don't take much. And then our cilantro, we're gonna put that in there. I'm gonna mix this up. And this is gonna be the cheese to go in the quesadilla, y'all. That's all it's gonna be right there. That's gonna be my cheese mixture. Y'all got me? Okay. Now we're gonna go over to the grill pan here and we just grill these shrimp off, y'all. Very simple, easy. Get them in here, grill them off, and kind of spread them out here. Nice. We're gonna cook these. Y'all wanna cook these completely, because these not gonna cook anymore. Only thing you're gonna do is gonna brown in the quesadilla, but you want the shrimp cooked completely off. Completely cooked. Okay, y'all, we ain't got much to do now. We got our cheese grated and seasoned and ready to go. We got our shrimp grilling off. And this meal is about to come together, y'all. So, anyway, we'll be back when it's time to take the shrimp out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, got the last batch of the shrimp. About to come out here. We're going to put this in here with the rest of it. Like I say, this shrimp has to be completely cooked, y'all. It can't be medium rare, can't be medium, because it's not going to cook anymore. All it's going to do is melt in there with the cheese in the quesadilla. See them? See the shrimp? Nice and perfectly cooked, homemade. So we're going to flip y'all around. Homemade. Well, I guess it is homemade, but I didn't make the shrimp. Okay. All right. Okay, we're gonna switch, hold on y'all, just a second here. Let me get organized here. I gotta switch pans here. Okay, very simple, y'all, what I'm about to do. Very simple, as all my recipes are. Okay, all we're gonna do, we're gonna get our tortillas here. Get them open up here. We're gonna spread them out like this on the cutting board. Just like that. We're gonna put cheese on the bottom, shrimp on the top, y'all, and go from there. So all we're gonna do, get us some cheese. Get our cheese mixture here. Matter of fact, I can get 3 on there if I move these shrimp out the way, huh? All right, get that shrimp out the way. Okay, all I'm gonna do, y'all, is gonna put my cheese evenly on the tortilla, even as possible. Just like this. You wanna make sure you spread it all the way to the end. So I like to have, when I do quesadillas, I like to have cheese in every bite, y'all. I don't know about y'all. And all I'm gonna do, come back with the shrimp. We're gonna evenly distribute the shrimp on here as well. See that? Just like that. Just like this. And I did the one, if I was doing this in my house, off camera, y'all, it is in my house, I wouldn't be in the back with the thing like this. I'd do it front. I want to give y'all a better visual. Sometimes when I do the stuff up front, y'all can't see it as well. Okay, got the shrimp on there, on top of the quesadilla. See that? Now, all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on top just like this, y'all. And don't worry, this is gonna even, when that cheese starts melting, y'all, it's gonna melt all the way through to the shrimp. So I'm gonna step off and get my skillet heating up here. I'm gonna step off, finish the rest of them. I got about 2 more I can get done. Step off, get the rest of them done. We're gonna come back, we're gonna grill them off in the skillet. And it's gonna be almost time to eat, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we got 5 of these bad boys ready. All we gonna do now, we'll take them over here. We're gonna put it right in the skillet here. Move y'all over. And that cheese is gonna do its thing. It's gonna melt in there. And it's gonna melt the shrimp and all that to the top. Now you're gonna put the cheese side down first before you flip it over. That way you can let the cheese start already melting. And once you flip it over, the cheese will continuously melt through, and that's what's gonna make it stick together. So you want a nice golden brown color on it. Then you're gonna flip it over. The first one is always the craziest, y'all. Some oil in there, y'all. You got a grill, it's even better, like a flat top grill. It's even better, but the skillet works just as fine too. Of course, in the restaurant industry, we'll put it on the big flat top grill and go and be through with them. So anyway, I'll be back when it's time to flip this over, and I'll show y'all the first one, and then we'll finish them all off. Old school shrimp quesadilla. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all, time to flip them bad boys over. Look at that. Look at that. Nice golden brown on there. And you wanna, all I wanna do now is get the other side nice and golden brown. Good color on it. And I'm gonna step off and I'm gonna do the rest of the other 4 of them. And we're gonna come back and that cheese gonna be nice and melty in there, y'all. Absolutely amazing. I love these things. So, anyway, y'all, I'll be back when it's time to take the last one off and we'll go from there. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right. Got the final one right here for the take off. And I'm gonna show y'all, I got them on a sheet pan here with a rack. I'm gonna just kind of put them on here. Take these off. Put it right here on my sheet pan. See, got 5 of them right here. See that? See how pretty and golden brown these are? So I'm gonna step off here, y'all. I'm gonna actually throw these in the oven, let them stay warm. I'm gonna clean up a little. We'll be back. I'm gonna show you how I cut them, and I'm gonna show you how I eat them. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, y'all, let me show y'all how I cut these up. Move y'all over here to the cutting board where all the magic's gonna happen. And what I gotta do, I just put them right here on the cutting board. Ooh, they are hot, 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 hot. The only thing I do, I just cut them in 4 pieces, y'all. 4 pieces. I go this way and this way. You can cut them in smaller pieces if you want to, but I prefer to just cut them in 4 pieces just like this. Show you another one here. Oh yeah, y'all, this is absolutely amazing. Get these right here, get these out of the way here. I'm ready to dig into these. So nice and just cut them for just like that. All right, y'all, I'm gonna step off, finish this up, put them on the platter, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna try these out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Y'all, let me show you how I like to eat my quesadillas. I'll take some sour cream. I add a little hot sauce to it. I've always eaten it like this, even at my job. You go to one of my favorite, y'all know my favorite fast food places, Taco Bell. I'll give me some of their sauce, a little sour cream. I'll mix it up in there. It's amazing, y'all. Let me open this up and show y'all inside. It's been sitting up about 15 minutes. Let's see how cheesy that is inside. Look at that. And what I'll do, I'll put that sour cream and hot sauce mixture on there. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Man, it's so good, y'all. So good. Look at that. That cheese pull. See that? And it's been setting up, like I said, 10, 15 minutes. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. Here's another bite here. Look at this, y'all. And the way I built it, as you can see, I got a bite of shrimp and cheese and tortilla, of course, in every bite. Y'all see how quick and that come together. And look, that was a half a pound of shrimp. What? Half a pound of cheese, 4 ounces of queso fresco. What I used? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 tortillas. Hey, how much you can get you some beans and rice with that? We got a meal for Friday night, y'all. Very easy and simple. So, anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. I'm in the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.